What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I want to do a talking video of the Stihl MS194T chainsaw. This month I'm hoping we're going to get this thing used for the first time. It hasn't been done since February. It's been sitting for 3 and 4 months now, you can see. But it's a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion, but you can tell she's been quite a lot using this machine exactly because you know how I expected this machine exactly because if you use something like this much a little bit, you can tell that this is a pretty nice looking gas powered chainsaw in my opinion. And you can tell it's not a bad looking chainsaw in my opinion, but the one thing I actually realize something like this because this is a 30cc engine and it means it has a big stage of power than 27cc like the blows like over there like there. But it's pretty much how you expected this machine exactly. Now you can tell I may hope that this month I'll hope I get this thing used for the first time cutting some trees down because we have had a tree knocked down since a time a little bit. I mean, yeah, I know the thing was used since every time a little bit, but so I'm hoping this month we'll get this thing used at some point. But otherwise, this is a pretty nice looking machine. It doesn't mean a new player board looks like because it's getting discolored a little bit because this is a hardware engine, not electronic like most of the chainsaws exactly. But it's very how much expected this machine, and then hopefully as you get this thing used this month.